Well, good evening, everybody. We are here at Hotel Breakers to start our Cedar Point opening weekend stay.
That's right.
The park opens up tomorrow for season number 156, if you're keeping track at home. And to make this a positive note, Top Thrill 2 passed its State of Ohio inspection this morning.
Yeah.
So it has been
watching
released to the park, so now they are running their test cycles with associates on it right now. They had some on this morning, and they got some on it as of recording this video right here. So it will be open for opening day, just as the park had promised. So, but they cut it close and passed inspection this morning, so it will be available for opening day. But that's for tomorrow. Today, we're going into the Breakers for our stay. We're going to show you the room that we have. It's a little secret. I'm not telling anybody yet. You'll be surprised.
Wait till you see this,
Yes,
you guys.
very surprised. We're having dinner at Tomo, the hibachi place. And then we'll just show you around. So, let's go. Hotel Breakers was voted the #1 theme park hotel from USA Today's top 10. So yes, we are staying in the #1 voted hotel. All right, I'm gonna go get checked in here, but while we're checking in, I'm gonna show you a little footage that I took of the new Resort Drive road now that Siren's Curse has taken over the landscape of where Perimeter Row was. checked in now, and surprise, we're staying in the presidential suite for us this week. So let's head on in and check it out. All right, here's a look at the main living area. You got a big table here, so that way you can bring food up or have Mama Cheta's pizza delivered. Nice little buffet table right there. One way into the main bathroom, but let's keep on going. Another table. The wet bar of the sink does have the dorm fridge. And if you come into here, microwave. But one thing, if you want to take a look, check out this view into like the main entrance of the park. Can't beat that. So here's the living room with a big size couch that can pull out into its own bed. We got a big old TV right here, and then one of two, yes, two private patios. So the view on this one, we got the whole beach. And then as we look off to this way, we got more of the west end, but also we have a view of the back half of Magnum. Do catch a little bit of the left hill and then the second hill. Oh! On a sidetrack here, there's the slides for the new water slide that's going to be going in this year. Head back on in. This is one of two, yes, two bedrooms. So this is a California King in the master bedroom. Does have a little TV there. You can see Magnum just a little bit peeking out right there. A nice walk-in corner-sized closet. Has an iron and an ironing board. There's the luggage rack. So in the bathroom here, one sink. Nice if it was two. But your shower and the commode is in a separate one. So it's a stand-up shower. Through the throughway here, here's the main hallway closet. Does have a safe. And then here is the view from the second balcony. Even much better view, we can see the water tower there. Killer views from here up on the 10th floor. So we'll head into bedroom number 2. And in this one you have 2 queen beds. Still has that nice killer view looking onto the boardwalk. And then in this bathroom, a nice size walk-in closet. Another iron and ironing board. Single vanity. And then here is the toilet and shower and tub combo. So yes, this is the presidential suite here at Hotel Breakers. The most expensive room in all the property.
What did you do, Ricky? Got some explaining to do.
All right, just got done doing our little room tour of the presidential suite. What'd you think?
I'm a little shocked. This room is awesome. I said, oh, this is how the rich people live, huh? But
yes.
No, it's really nice. Yeah, if you have family members that you can bring up here and maybe split the cost, and you know, it's worth it. The view is amazing.
Yes, it sleeps up between 6 to 8 as far as for all the beds and the pull-out bed and everything. So you can pack them in if you want to, but you can't beat the view here.
Yeah, it's really cool.
All right, now it is time for the family and us to head down to Tomo's for supper. talk up close to the microphone because it's going to get a lot loud here shortly, but here is an idea as far as how the menu looks. And it also has some sushi too. Alright, we've got our food order already in, and the clear soup has arrived. Big mushrooms. Big mushrooms in that.
Yes. Yours is bigger.
Okay, let me show you. Then I buy steak, I buy chicken, I buy steak, I buy steak, I buy shrimp, I buy shrimp. Okay, chicken and steak, steak and shrimp, chicken and scallop, or chicken and salmon. Yeah, buy steak, right? Yes? Yeah. Okay.
Go, Steve. got steak and chicken. So I've got some steak, chicken, the hot rice, and vegetables. Angie went with
Just the shrimp hibachi.
alright, she just got plain old shrimp.
It's good.
Alright folks, we just got done eating at Tomo's for our second time. Just as good as the first one.
I'm stuffed.
Oh yeah, stuff
And
like
I
the
have
thing.
more.
She's got her little to-go box there.
Yeah.
This time we actually did try the sake.
Oh yeah.
And as you saw in the little speed up video, her dad, father-in-law, he got double barrel. He got
did.
double bottle. The chef that did the cooking this time was the same one that
we had last time.
exactly did the when we first came here.
He's really good.
Excellent. Chicken was good. Steak was good. How was your shrimp?
Oh, delicious. I would get that again for sure.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
very good. Pricey, so we're looking at like $3 to $4 sign if you're figuring out as far as for like Disney style or Universal when it comes to pricing is, but
Yeah, mine with the shrimp was 31.
well worth it. I mean, it's only one of the 3 sit-down restaurants here because you have Perkins and TGI Fridays, but Perkins is only open till 4, and then Tomo opens, and TGI Fridays is open from 11 till I think like 9. But that's that for that. So I think we can take a little break, and then we're gonna try
I'm going to the bar.
going to the bar here. So stay tuned. We're gonna
Bar
try
and
some
maybe a
themed
romantic
drinks.
walk on the beach. I don't know.
We'll see.
Right, walk down it.
As you can see, we're at the Surf Lounge. Here is the list, come on focus, of their specialty drinks that they have. Also got beers, some wines, and starting at noon they do have some snackies, appetizers, some brunch. They got burgers, salads, some sandwiches. Oh, you got cheese quesadilla as well. So yeah, besides drink, they also do have some food too. All right, so we are outside on the beach, and they are testing Top Thrill 2. So here's the main area of breakers. There is the breakers tower, and if I zoom in, way up there in the corner, here you can see like the dining room light. That is our room. That's where the presidential suite is. Let's see. Up there. All right, we got our drinks from the Surf Lounge. So I did get the Roaring Riptide Punch. Pretty much, that's what it has in it. It's not too bad. Angie, what did you get?
The Summer Spectacular.
Okay. And then Josh got a Long Island iced tea.
That's strong.
It's strong too. It's good.
It's good. It's good. Angie's finishing up her Tomos.
It's so good. I just didn't want to wait till later.
All right, folks, that is going to do it from our check-in day. So, as you can see saw by the footage, Presidential Suite is amazing.
It is.
We got a glimpse of Top Thrill 2 testing. So, odds are it's probably going to open tomorrow. Tomo's was excellent. The Surf Lounge drinks, awesome. So all in all, it was a good day.
I would say so.
But for now, that's going to do it for this video. Tomorrow is the big day, opening day for season number 156 for Cedar
right.
Point. So tune in for that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps with YouTube's algorithm. Don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, as we have now crossed 500. And now we're on our way to
right.
1,000.
Chugging along this 1,000.
That's right. So until next time, we will see you at the next turnstile.
Bye.